Hello friends, welcome you all. So today the topic is abstraction and interface. So let's talk about. Okay, before going into the topic, the first thing that I want to make you guys understand is let's understand about two words: abstract method and non-abstract method. Hope I'm audible. Wait a second. Okay, we will be talking about abstract method and another is let's say here non-abstract method. So what's the difference, guys? Why, like, what's the difference? Like, it's just such a simple thing that non-abstract method and abstract method. So the difference is that how do we declare them? First thing, for abstract method we need to put public abstract void let's say test A, and like this. That's how we declare the abstract this abstract method. This is the way of representing abstract methods. And how do we declare non-abstract method? So non-abstract method will be public void, let's say test B. It will be having parenthesis, it will be having body. Okay, so yeah, that's how we do declare this uh, non-abstract method. So what's the difference between these two? Can you see what the difference is? I think it's pretty clear. First thing, this keyword, let's use the red color, this keyword abstract. It comes between public and void. And here, what's that? There is no keyword over here in non-abstract method. Second thing, that it doesn't have a body here in the curly braces. It has a body here with the curly braces. So that's the basic difference between abstract method and a non-abstract method. That the abstract method will be having the keyword abstract first thing, and another thing that it will not be having the curly braces. It will not be having this body at all. And the non-abstract method will not be having abstract keyword here, and second thing that it will be having the body over here. So based on the difference between these two, we have to get to understand the difference between class. Let's say, okay, we have to differentiate between class, abstract class, and another thing is that we say interface. We need to find the difference between these three things. So how can we differentiate? So first thing, let's come here in class level and use different colors. So class A, the class, what is this? This is a non-abstract class because we're not using the keyword, same as in method. We are not using abstract keyword here, so it's a non-abstract method. That's how we are not using any keyword here before this. So before this class, that's why it will be calling as a non-abstract class. And for abstract class, there will be always a keyword abstract before the class. So this class will be having only the non-abstract methods. This will never have abstract method. That's the first difference. That's the first important thing, that the class will have always the non-abstract method. Now let's come to the abstract class. Abstract class will be having non-abstract plus abstract methods. It can have both. There is no foundation for abstract class for having only abstract or non-abstract method. And for interface, it will be having only abstract methods. It will not have the non-abstract method. That's why this interface is also known as, I'll be using this color here, this is known as 100% abstraction. Abstraction. So that's why this interface is known as 100% abstraction. So what does that mean? Now let's understand few more things. These methods, this abstract method, these are known as unimplemented methods. Unimplemented methods. And what do we need when this class, because we know that class can extend another class. a subclass can extend a parent class. So here what can happen, this class can extend the abstract class, and when this class will extend the abstract class, so those abstract methods, those all methods need to be implemented here in this class level. So what do we need? We need the implementation of the methods, implementation of the unimplemented methods we need to do here. Okay, and what will happen, the same name method will we can use here, the whatever the name we are using here in this abstract class we can use here too, and that's how that will be known as the override method overriding. It will known as method overriding here. So what is another important thing that I want to let you guys know? Another important thing is that this abstract class, it cannot be instantiated. Instantiated. It cannot be instantiated. This is the first thing. And what is the another thing? Another thing is that the whatever the method is there in abstract class, those methods will be non-static. It can't be static method. That's the second important thing. So I think now it's pretty much easier to understand that we have the abstract methods, we have the non-abstract methods. Non-abstract method do have the naming and the body both, and the abstract method doesn't have the body, they have the special keyword abstract, then only they will be known as the abstract methods. And also these are known as the unimplemented method because they don't have the body. And when a class extend abstract class, it need to implement the unimplemented methods from the abstract class. That is called the overriding, because it will have the same name, the method will be having the same name but the method will be implemented here. And other than that, the abstract class cannot be instantiated, we cannot create the object for them. And also all the methods abstract method, those abstract method will be non-static, that cannot be static. Other than that, a class cannot extend interface. It can implement the interface, it cannot extend the interface, it will implements. The keyword that we will be using here, it will be implements, that the class will implement the interface but it will not extend the interface. It can extend the abstract class, a class can extend the another class but it cannot extend the interface. So that is the basic difference between all these things, and I think it is like very important to understand. Okay, let's go to the coding part now. So for the coding guys, I do have a package here, abstraction and interface. Let's create few classes here and interface also. So first I want to create a non abstract class, just for the naming convention, for the differentiation between the things, I'm just giving this name. And let's finish it. And then let's have another class, and another class is, let's say I do have abstract class. So for creating abstract class we need to click this word here, this abstract here. If we don't use this abstract here, then what do we need? In a normal pattern we need to put that abstract word keyword over here, then that class automatically will be abstract class. So let's select it and create the abstract class. Finish. You see this abstract keyword has come over there, so this is a abstract class. Next is interface. So let's do a right click here, go to the new and hit this interface. So it will be a, let's say interface, let's say class to this also, and then finish. Now let's say I have two more classes, and one is the test A class and one more class that what do I have is a test B class, and we have a main method here for executing all the results. Okay, here no. Okay, so what do we have in abstract class? In abstract class, let's say, okay, let's start with the non-abstract first. In the non-abstract class, what do we have? Let's say the method is public void. What else we need? I just want to give the name non abstract class method. Okay, only one method I do have. Non-abstract class method. Okay, got this. And then we do have the body for the method. And let's say I just want to do say so here. And what do I want to say here? That I am non-abstract class method. I just simply want to say this here. Okay, so this non-abstract class, what does it have? It has the implemented method. Okay, this is the non-abstract method. Let's say we take this from here and we put it here in the abstract class. So what can we say this? We just can say abstract class method 1, and we just simply will say here too abstract class method 1. And this is the non-abstract method. Another method that we can have here is the abstract method. So for abstract method, what's the requirement? We need to put abstract keyword here, and after that we need to remove this body from here, and we need to put this semicolon there, and let's change the name abstract method. So see, it's got all the errors gone. Now let's go to the interface and let's copy paste this. I want to show you something. If I will paste it here, you see it's showing me the errors. Let's hover over it and let's see what it's showing us. So first thing is showing us that make the method default. So I can make it default, but what will have, it will be having a, so if I do hover over here, let's say uh, so it will be giving me the option for default, first option. But what will it change if I click over here? Then it's saying that okay, you can have this one, but it will be having a default body. So this keyword default will mention about that okay, this you can do, but you will be having this default body and later on you can change in it. That's the main point, but we don't want this. We don't want to use this default keyword over there. Let's delete it. Then what's the next thing? Next thing is when I will hover over it, I can see the static keyword. We can use the static keyword over there. Let's hover over again. Okay, this static. If I'll use the static keyword, okay, let's click over here, then it will be saying that static keyword, static over here. Then what will happen whenever I need this, whenever I need to create object or to use this class interface class or interface, everywhere I need to make the static, I need to use this static keyword everywhere. So that's why this is also not a feasible way to do this thing over here. Let's also not use this static keyword here. Then what's the next thing? The third thing is there, that remove the method body. That's the the thing that we need to do here. Okay, now what can we do? Let's remove the body. So this is how in the interface that what do we need? We need to remove the body from here. And interface we do not need to mention the abstract keyword also here between public and void, because by default it will be a abstract method here. Otherwise we need to, if we are providing any body here, we need to use the abstract the default keyword there. Otherwise it will be like that we need to make the method static, then only we can put it here. But all those things we are not going to do. We're just making a simple abstract method here, that is by default without any keyword in interface. We can say that is the abstract one. And let's say I have two methods here. Abstract class, I will say I'll have interface class method 1, and second one also, it is also I will be saying interface class method, let's say number 2. Okay, that's how we want it. Now let's go here in our non-abstract class. Okay, these two class also, test A and test B, these two class also the non-abstract class, because we're not using any abstract keyword here and we're not using any abstract keyword here. But here just for the understanding I use this non-abstract class. Okay, now let's see that can it extends interface. Interface class, let's copy paste the name from here. This is the interface, control C, and I can just paste it here. Let's see it can extend or not. So you see it's showing us the error, and what's the error is, it's showing us that change extends to implements. So it means that it cannot, the class cannot extends interface, it can implement the interface. So that's what the first thing that I wanted to show you here. And now let's, what do we do, instead of this one, let's try with abstract class. Let's take this from here and paste here. So is it possible? So you see what is there, I'm just saying that extends to abstract class. So it's again showing me some error. Let's hover over this red underline and see what it's saying. So it's saying us that add unimplemented methods, make type non abstract class abstract. Either you make this non abstract class to abstract, or you add unimplemented methods. So we select this one, let's do this. So what it has done, in our abstract class we have two methods, one is the non-abstract method and another one is the abstract method. So what it did over here, it had just removed that that abstract keyword from here. It's just saying now public void abstract class method 2. This method is coming from here, but it has overridden over there. So now it has also used the keyword here, that is overridden. So this method is now overridden. And now we can give it a body. Let's say I'm just saying here syso, and what I want to tell him, I am abstract class method 2. Let's say control C, and I'm just putting it here, abstract class method 2. Okay, so what we did, we just extended this abstract class to non abstract class. And let's say here in test A, I want to implement this interface class. Let's implement it. What I will be doing, implements interface class. Let's copy the name from there so that it will not be any mistake. To avoid the mistake, we generally do copy paste. Okay, so what it's saying now, let's hover over it, and it's saying add unimplemented methods. Again, okay, click here, and there were two unimplemented methods in this interface. So those two methods got implemented here. And let's say we want to give them some body, and let's say we want what do we want, I am interface class method 1. Okay, here, and the same thing I want from here, I just want to change it to method 2. That's how. So now let's do execution of our code, how we can use all these four different abstract class, non abstract class, interface, and this is also non abstract, to a to a non abstract class test B. Okay, let's see. First thing first come first. So first thing, let's see, can we instantiate abstract class, because I mentioned already that we cannot instantiate abstract class. Let's see, can we instantiate it? If for instantiation, what do we need? Let's say the class name, and here, and I will saying AC equals to new and abstract class, like this. So what it is saying, let's hover over it, it's saying cannot instantiate. You see, we cannot instantiate a abstract class. Okay, let's just uncomment this, and here let's go again to interface, and let's copy this here. Let's see if we can instantiate it or not. What do we need to do? An interface class, and let's go to new, and then give it like this, and again it's showing us the error. Let's hover over it. So what it's saying, it cannot be instantiated. So interface also cannot be instantiated, because these also have the abstract methods over there. And now next, what next is left is non abstract class. So this non abstract class is what we can instantiate it. So let's say we taking this from here and going here, and then I just need to put it here, and what non abstract class equals to new, and again non abstract class, and this. Okay, so you see it's not showing any error. Now we can use all the methods from there, And let's say this test A, can we instantiate this or not? See, and then let's go here and we will be doing control B and TA.
Mama, I found 2 eggs. This is a turtle. This is a
Guys,
fish.
please excuse me. Okay, guys, sorry about that. Okay, let's do that. Let's instantiate our test 8 TA equals to new test A and then this. Okay, so what happened that yes, we are able to instantiate our test A also. So our known abstract class is extending our abstract class, and our test A is implementing our interface. So that's how we can reach out both these classes. Now let's see how is it possible. Whatever in interface, those methods can we approach here or not, and whatever in our abstract class, can we approach them also over here. Let's go to the NAC first. NAC dot. So you can see here we have abstract class method 1, abstract class method 2, non-abstract class method. So all these three methods are available here. These two methods are coming from our abstract class, and this method is coming from our non-abstract class. So we can use all of them. Let's say this one first, and then go NAC dot, again the second method. Let's take this one also here, and again NAC dot. What is another one? Non-abstract. This one we can use it here. So these three methods we have approached here. Now let's go to our test TA dot. Now it will bring the methods from the interface. So what is that? Interface class method 1, interface class method 2. It can reach out these two methods, and what else it can reach out? Let's first use these two methods here and enter, and it will be like TA dot again interface method 2. Okay, so what is our test A? TA we creating here. So okay, we just created here. Let's say that I do have one more method here. I didn't created it firstly. Public void okay, test A method, and give a body to this, and we will be saying CISO, and what can we say here? We just can say I am test A method. That's all. So let's save it and let's try if we can reach out that. So what we'll be doing, we say TA dot our method is test A method. Now it is visible here, so we just can take this one like that. So guys, we separately we cannot approach abstract class or interface class for execution our code, but when we are like extending it the abstract class through another class and implementing it, then we can reach out the methods and we can implement all those methods. Now let's see how this method will give us the result in our console. Let's save it and execute our code. So you see here 3 CISOs coming from here and 3 CISOs are coming from here. So first is coming, I am abstract class method 1, I am abstract class method 2, I am non-abstract class method, and here is saying I am interface class method 1, I am interface class method 2, I am test A method. So guys, you see how by using the keywords extends and implements, where did we use? We use here extends here, and here we use implements. So how by using these two keywords we just approached all the methods from this abstract class and interface. So I think this is now very easy to understand, and also I have covered the overriding part here, that whatever method is available in abstract class or interface class, that will get override when we will be providing the body to them. We will be having the same name method. This is interface class method 1, that is available here also, interface class method 1, but it will get implemented here when we will doing the overriding in another class by using just the implement keyword over there. So that's how we just simply can understand this abstraction and interface. So interface is 100% abstraction. Guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope this video is pretty convenient to understand these three important topics, and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.